So there's a place to be inward and to feel, and then to engage in life. And sometimes we're engaging in life and don't perceive anything on the inside, and sometimes that feels so good we forget to go out again. Most of our education is about the outer world. Remember this, look at this, pay attention out here somewhere. Or sit up straight, or something. It's more out there somewhere, coming in and also going out. What do you see? What are you doing? But then, because the education is so much about that, when we find internal possibilities, it's so relieving of all that stress that we might forget to come out again. It's just one of the, and yet maybe don't come out too soon, like play with it, but going through life always in the inside, whatever. Let the inside know itself, but then you don't have to keep looking to see if it's still working. And then we can engage